friends! Today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite AI art programs that I've found. I'm really fascinated by the evolution of art and technology, and I can't wait to see where it'll be in like 5 and 10 years from now. So I've been trying to keep track of like the programs that are coming out and the different tools that are available to artists and people like me. So here's my favorite list of programs that I found so far. The first one is called Lexica. You just go to lexica.art. You can make an account on lexica.art and it'll save your likes and history. We can try it out by searching for an image. Let's start with something simple like cat. Okay, it shows over 2,000 results when you search for just cat. We'll get more specific in a second here. I just wanted to see off the bat, what does it come up with? Oh my god, this is so creepy. This one's definitely cool, cyborg cat. The more specific you get, the more interesting the outcome will be. So someone asked for a cyborg cat, fantasy, portrait, highly detailed, digital painting, trending on ArtStation, concept art, sharp focus, illustration, art by Art Germ, and Greg Rutkowski and Maglai Villeneuve. It's controversial. The AI uses different art styles by specific artists because it's a little bit like, I guess, I don't want to say stealing their art, but it's definitely questionable about how the art is used. If you're able to just plug in an artist's name and then a bunch of art comes up in their style, it's like, where do they draw the line? Ooh, that one's really cool. I like where we're going here, kind of, but we'll take it from there. Beautiful Catwoman. Let's put, maybe, I don't know if it'll say like with backgrounds, like nature background. And then we can say, how about like industrial and like planets or something. Maybe if cat and woman didn't have a comma between it, it would be more of like a woman with cat ears. Probably have to get more specific. Some of these are cute and others are just creepy as hell. There's been a lot of progress since the first time I noticed AI art, which was like when Deep Dream came out. When did the Deep Dream app come out?
Here's what I found from Wikipedia. The Deep Dream software originated in a deep convolutional network codenamed Inception after the film of the same name was developed for the ImagiNet Large-Scale Visual Recognition Challenge, ILSVRC, in 2014 and released in July 2015.
Alright, cool. So I would have to say AI has made a lot of progress since then. But yeah, so let's try a couple more searches. Instead of cat, we'll just say, how about ocean background? Okay, well, these women look pretty realistic. Game developers working hard at a desk with multiple screens and computers, and cables are all over the floor. Let's try generating that. Oh, this looks cool. This looks realistic. Not very stylistic. Maybe I should have put with cool LED lights around and stuff. You can use the Lexica API, and over here it describes how to go about doing that. That's pretty interesting that you can integrate it into your own apps. Stable Diffusion public release. Stability AI was released under a Creative ML Open Rail-M license. This is a permissive license that allows for commercial and non-commercial usage. This license is focused on ethical and legal use of the model as your responsibility and must accompany any distribution of the model. It must also be made available to end users of the model in any service on it. You can join their Discord at discord.gg/stablediffusion. So cool how, because they share the API, that so many different people can try it, use it, see what they can do with it, and lots of different people with bright ideas can try it out and see what comes of it. This is one of my other favorite ones, Artbreeder, artbreeder.com. Craft AI art like never before. You can try the Artbreeder collager right here. Fire dancers perform under a rainbow starry night. I thought it was pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. So this is what it generated a second time using that same prompt that we had. They have a lot of different features using Artbreeder on the site here, and there's this thing called Splicer, and then this other thing called Read Portraits and More. I really like this one because you can use a slider to pretty much like change a lot of different things. This one's so pretty. Alright, first you choose a style that you want to go with. You narrow it down by choosing... Okay, so we have this one, And then we want to remix it with, okay, that really pretty one with, how about, remix it with this girl. Cool. How about this one? It's so pretty. Okay, ooh, and then it like combines the different styles together. We can say that we want it more like this girl's face and way less like her face, so it's like more like the girl on the right on the face, but more like this girl's style and way less like her style. So it's more like this girl's face but with her style. I don't know. I guess I can see that, yeah. Let's add another parent. How about we'll add her together with this girl. Oh, this is so much fun. Okay, how about less of her style, more of this girl's style. Let's try mostly her and just a little bit of this girl. Cool. Ooh, I like that. Like keeps all the pretty wavy hair that this girl has right here. All right, we can add and remove different things here. Like you can add makeup. What happens if we just pull the slider up all the way for makeup? Ah! That's one thing you don't want to do. Just don't max it out because otherwise you'll get really weird results like that. What if we don't want any makeup? Is this like take makeup off? Okay, how about more blue eyes? Ooh, pretty. Alright, how about just a little bit less blue eye? And here's her cute expression. We can make her a little bit more happy. You ever get told you should smile more? That trend of telling people to smile more is finally dying out. What about angry? I don't think she looks that angry, but she looks pretty in a different way. Angry, pretty. We'll leave her a little bit angry. Sure. Do we want to give her more brown hair? Yeah, that's cool. It actually made it more red. I like that a lot. Cool. How about like the eyes? We can make it more green. I didn't really change the eyes too much, so we're making it more brown actually. Oh wait, maybe this is overall color. You have a choice for the race right here. What would it look like if it was like more Middle Eastern? How about more Indian? More Asian? Look at how beautiful she is! Oh my god. Here's where you can change the gender or the age. But the gender is like going up or down in numbers, so does that mean like... Oh, that's cute. Oh damn. Okay, cool. So, male on the right. Whoa! Oh, that's cute. Okay, this is really cute over here now. She gets more cartoony when you slide her on the gender scale. Okay, what about the age? Is this like old on this? Oh, wow, I want to look like her when I'm that age. Look at how cool she looks with the silver hair. All right, what about this direction? Does she get younger? She does kind of get younger. She's turning into a baby way down here. Kind of, yeah. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, that's so cool. Usually there's a limit as to how many prompts you can do. In this case, there's how many downloads, uploads, and video frames. By now, you might have heard of one of the most popular programs called Midjourney, and this one has several different features. I love this website right off the bat. It reminds me of some sort of like old school hacked like computer. You can sign in by adding the Midjourney bot to your Discord. And then you can see on your account all the different pictures that you've done so far. I pretty much already used up all my free prompts on Midjourney, so here they are. I had a lot of fun doing this, and basically what you can do is use the bot in your Discord. I'll show you in a minute. Look at all these awesome prompts that I did. Wait. Game developer lays in bed with girlfriend while programming games about Mars. Cute, huh? Cat with a hat. Light-bending wormhole exploding in space. Lots of stars and space nebula in the background. Space massive, time-scale detail. Gamer girl talks to a friend on cell phone while playing on computer. Cute. Two lovers fly through space to Mars. Burning Man people jump on trampolines while on LSD. These are just some of my prompts that I thought of for Midjourney just to see what it would come up with. 4 friends look up at the sky as a meteor shower is happening on the rings of Saturn. Best friends watch a campfire. Spooky Halloween background for a game with beautiful colors. I was wondering if like AI could come up with some concept art for a game for Halloween. Flaming octopus with long tentacles and fire dancers at Burning Man. That's pretty awesome. Fractal hologram of a flaming octopus and 2 fire dancers. All your fears and worries melt away on the dance floor where nothing exists but your aura and the bass music. Look at that interpretation. As far as the AI programs go, I really love Midjourney's interpretation of these prompts. Belly dancers allude to the ancient mysteries under a starlit sky. Game developer wears cyberpunk bikini while working. A majestic rainbow girl working on a video game. A pretty girl is on her computer making a video game about aliens. Game developer wears cyberpunk bikini while working. If you like one of the 4 that comes up, then you can tell it to like redo one of your favorites. 2 people on computers are creating an acid trip journey in AR for friends. 3 friends drinking coffee and drawing an art class. I definitely want to get into some art classes. Any art classes around here, either in person or online, I'm super open to that. A Twitch streamer gamer gets a new Patreon supporter. She doesn't really look too enthusiastic, but I was hoping it would be like fireworks going off or something. Have to get more specific next time. A team of cheerleaders gather around a new Patreon supporter to say thank you. That's a little bit more like it. A gamer girl on Twitch gets a new follower. Again, she looks only mildly stoked. Beautiful girl with fiery red hair sings into a microphone on a big stage with a psychedelic lighting design. She has a tall, dark, handsome man playing a keyboard behind her and a small blonde child behind her playing on a tambourine. A man and woman electronic musicians perform on a big stage with gorgeous lighting and some dancers in the background. These are some just different concept ideas that would be cool to come to fruition in real life too. So yeah, AI could be inspiring. Maybe like you have one idea and you feed it into Midjourney and Midjourney gives you some more ideas, and then you can, it can be almost like a, interacting with AI can fuel new ideas and new interpretations that kind of like take your own ideas to the next level. So yeah, I really had fun with Midjourney. You can add the Midjourney bot to your Discord and make it a channel like I did. Right here, there's the Midjourney channel. And this is where you can see all those different prompts. I had actually been typing them in here on Discord. And then it saves a copy of all these on my dashboard when you log in on the Midjourney site. So that's really fun. But then at a certain point, you get to the limit of your free version, and then you have to pay. So I hadn't decided like, what am I going to use this for? Do I want to pay? So I very well may get the paid version in the future, but we'll see. Alright, next I wanted to talk about DALL-E 2, which you've probably heard about. DALL-E 2 is a new AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. So DALL-E 2 uses GPT-3, and let's try over here. Start with a detailed description. A blonde girl, me, a blonde girl with a side shave haircut is typing at her computer in a very cool and pretty turquoise studio with curtains in the background. She is making a video wearing headphones. Cute! Very cute little side shave haircut and stuff. And she has the cute nails. How do they know that I have? She even has like the this girl has the bright pink nails just like me. Amazing. Okay, so once you click on that, can we then make a new make a variation of it? Oh, very cute. Ooh, this girl has got like some glittery goop in her hair. It's not really nail polish, but this one doesn't really have the Space Needle in it, but I like the face, looks the most realistic. This girl looks pissed, but cool. I like this one maybe the best. Okay, how about you are in school trying to concentrate on classwork, but your teacher is attractive and you are distracted. It doesn't follow the content policy. Oh, because it said attractive. Alright. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, what else do we have? We're gonna next look at... Here's another one I wanted to mention. Stable Diffusion. This project requires an NVIDIA card that can run CUDA. So there's definitely some qualifications for your computer specs in order to run this program. But yeah, so this is an interface to run the Stable Diffusion model. Basically, it's like so you can run it as a software on your computer. This looks really fun. This is something that you can download on itch.io. Here's the Deep Dream Generator, and let's check out what they have on their site. Create inspiring visual content in a collaboration with our AI-enabled tool. So yeah, this is like the one that I remember from way back in the day. I remember when everything looked like just dogs and fish. Text2Dream tool can generate amazing art and photorealistic images from just a text prompt or a combination of a text prompt and a base image. The tool is based on the Stable Diffusion deep learning text-to-image model. The technique is a much more advanced version of the original Deep Dream approach. It is capable of using its own knowledge to interpret a painting style and transfer it to the uploaded image. Initially, it was invented to help scientists and engineers to see what a deep neural network is seeing when it is looking in a given image. Later, the algorithm has become a new form of psychedelic and abstract art. Next, I wanted to point out the StarryAI.com software, and it's super fun. Dreamlike images, more abstract, produces unreal reality, often more cohesive, or great for artistic and product renders. Let's try that one. Oh yeah, you can start off with an initial image. We could add the style of, how about this one, and then we can add up to, I don't know, 8 variations, it turns out. And then it'll cost 2 credits. I don't know how many credits we have. We got 4 credits. Alright, sweet. So you can use the Starry AI app both on iOS and on Android. So that's super fun and easily accessible. You can play with this on your phone and make some really cool wallpapers for your phone, if nothing else. I just love all the different things that AI comes up with, and Starry AI has some really beautiful outcomes, so I would definitely recommend checking this one out. The app works on the phone just like how it does on the browsers, so pretty easy way to generate some interesting art and just fun to play around with. 2 best friends are creating video games on their laptops at a coffee shop, and they are programming and helping one another, and they have really cool fashion. One of them has a red shirt and the other one has a shaved head. They are creating interactive games, period. Okay, let's add some styles. Hyperrealism, let's try that one. You can choose all these different things here, like in the style of more styles to choose from. Descriptive terms, and then you can add like colorful or cosmic. Ooh, cosmic's pretty. Ethereal is awesome. Where does it add those? Ooh, low poly. Sweet. This gives you some good ideas. Alright, how about... Ooh, Geiger. I'm not sure if it's pronounced Giger or Geiger or Geiger. I always thought it was Geiger, but then some people say Giger. I'm like, I'm not sure about that. Create artwork. Okay, and then it takes a couple minutes, so... Alright, this one on the phone is already complete. Look at how cute! Oh, cute! Weird. This was when I had, like, given it a picture to start off with. I don't know how I feel about that, but... Oh, I like that! That one kind of retained the stripes in the sweater that I had on. Oh man, that is so weird. I kind of like it though. That one turns the whole person into the cat. Oh my gosh, how cute! Then the sweater kind of looks like fur. Cute. I like how one eye is green and one's blue. No, that's pretty strange, but I like it. I like how it's got the stars in the background and stuff. That's pretty cute. Alright, this one's my favorite, and the other one that has the stripes on the sweater, this one, I think. I hope you enjoyed that compilation of my favorite AI programs so far, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, let me know. Talk to you next time, friends. Special shout out to our channel supporters. Really appreciate you, friends. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief.